A very warm good morning to all the hardworking teachers and respected judges present over here. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving us the opportunity to introduce ourselves. I am Jasmina Parveen of class 8 and I am a student of National Academy. So she is my team member.
Good morning all the teachers and dear judges. Myself Nancy.
So my today's project is all about rain alarm or rain sensor. It's a simple model but very useful which automatically triggers an error when it rains. It's important for household applications. Sometimes we don't get to know it's raining outside and some important things like clothes, grains or tools are kept outside. But with the help of this project we can prevent from such huge losses because of raining. Water is a basic need in everyone's life. Proper usage of water and conservation of water is essential. So here is a project which gives us a new algorithm when it's raining and we can take some measures or some actions for rainwater harvesting or conservation of water or any other purposes for future uses. So now let me tell you how it's work. So as you can see, the materials required for the project are 2 blades or capacitors, switch, an LED light, speaker and battery. So when we will pour water over these 2 capacitors, the buzzer will emit sound. The sound emitted by the buzzer indicates that it's raining outside. This is an LED light. When we will pour water over these 2 plates, the LED bulb will glow automatically. When we will on the switch, the LED bulb will glow automatically. But when we will pour water over these 2 blades or capacitors, the LED bulb will glow much more or the LED bulb will light up. This indicates that it's raining outside. So lastly, I would like to say thank you to all my dear teachers who help us to demonstrate our project nicely.
Myself Deekshita Goswami. I am a student of class 7 from National Academy. Now I am going to explain both of my models. So my first model is air cooler. Air cooler works on the principle of evaporative cooling, wherein evaporation of water is used to cool the air. Some common examples of evaporative cooling are sweating in humans, water in an earthen pot, and alcoholic sanitizer. When we sweat, the sweat evaporates and we feel cold. Again, when we apply sanitizer, the alcohol present in the sanitizer evaporates and again we feel cold. And lastly, in an earthen pot, in summer season, the water remains cold because there are fine pores on the earthen pot through which water evaporates and the water remains cold. Similarly, in air cooler, as air flows through the water, some particles on the surface of the water will be blown away. These particles carry heat along with them and cools the air. This is the main mechanism behind air coolers. Now, let us come to animal cell. Animal cell is a type of eukaryotic cell that does not have a cell wall, but it has a true membrane-bound nucleus along with other cellular organelles. Cell membrane is also called semi-permeable membrane since it allows only the required nutrients and microscopic entities to enter the cell and